Our approach is farmer first and consumer centric, ensuring that growth in exports goes hand in hand with the prosperity of the farmers and food security for all. Over the next 5 years, we aim to reform and modernize the public distribution system, double agri and agri-based exports, and open new global markets for Indian rice. Together, let us dream big and plan boldly. The Bharat International Rice Conference 2025 will be a major milestone in our journey towards Vikasit Bharat 2047 with our farmers and consumer at the heart of this vision.